Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we have a ton of information about some study involving treatment X and participants and all of that. And we're told, based on the design and results of this study, which of the following is an appropriate conclusion. So this is a problem that will, if you do it rigorously, it will take up a lot of your time, right? If you're not thinking about this is a problem on the SAT, this could take you a couple minutes because you have to read it and think about what this information means and what does treatment X mean, and so on. But wherever you have a study and you're asked for a conclusion on the SAT, there's a trick to solve these problems. So we have to say, okay, when you have a study and it has this treatment X, right, this study is not going to say, if you take treatment X, this will happen. It's saying, if you take treatment X, this is what's likely to happen. This might happen. This is what we would expect to happen based off of treating other people. This is what we would expect if you took it. So, going through these answers, only one of them is going to be sort of that wishy-washy, this might help you, we would expect it to help you, but we're not guaranteed. And then the other three answers will be guarantees, which are not appropriate conclusions of any study. So, treatment X is likely to improve the eyesight of people who have poor eyesight. Again, we don't have to worry about this. We didn't even read the paragraph where it talked about eyesight. Didn't even know eyesight was involved. All we have to focus on is likely to improve. This is an appropriate conclusion. We don't know if it's the right one just yet, but like I said, almost like 99% of these problems on the SAT, there's only going to be one of these likely to improve, so you won't have to go back and read the paragraph. So, B, treatment X improves eyesight better than all other available treatments. It's not saying it's likely to improve, it says it improves better than all other available. There's no room for error in this. This is not an appropriate conclusion of the study. This is not it. Treatment X will improve the eyesight of anyone who takes it. So they're saying will improve. Again, this is not valid. Treatment X will cause a substantial improvement. Will cause, not valid. Treatment X is likely to improve. That is an appropriate conclusion of a study. And since it's the only one left, we know that this must be actually true, that it's likely to improve the eyesight of other people who have poor eyesight, without even reading this huge paragraph about the study that would suck up so much of your time in the actual test. But anyways, A is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.